The architectural splendor of Badshahi Masjid. Aerial shot of the Badshahi Masjid. Welcome to Alvi Associates. Today, we take you on a journey through the magnificent Badshahi Masjid in Lahore, Pakistan, a masterpiece of Mughal architecture and an enduring symbol of engineering excellence. Introduction. Panoramic view of the mosque courtyard with its domes and minarets. Built in 1673 by Emperor Aurangzeb, the Badshahi Masjid stands as one of the largest mosques in the world. Its grandeur and structural design reflect the pinnacle of Mughal architecture, combining beauty, functionality, and durability. Architectural layout. Animated layout of the mosque spanning 279,000 square feet. The mosque can accommodate over 1 lakh worshippers. Its layout includes a vast courtyard, a prayer hall with 7 arched entrances, and towering minarets at each corner. Prayer hall. The prayer hall, measuring 76 meters by 27 meters, features 3 majestic domes clad in white marble. These domes are key to the mosque's acoustics, ensuring prayers resonate across the hall. Structural features. Close-up of the red sandstone walls. The mosque is constructed primarily of red sandstone, brought from Jaipur, India. Its robust structure is reinforced with bricks and lime mortar, ensuring stability over centuries. Minarets and arches. The minarets, standing 54 meters tall, are designed with a tapering structure, providing resistance against seismic activity. The pointed arches distribute weight efficiently, enhancing the mosque's durability. Decorative elements. Intricate calligraphy and floral designs. Every inch of the mosque reflects artistic mastery. Its interiors are adorned with frescoes, marble inlay, and Quranic calligraphy, blending Persian, Indian, and Central Asian influences. Focus on the main prayer niche. The mihrab, or prayer niche, is a focal point of design, featuring floral patterns and semi-precious stone inlays, a hallmark of Mughal craftsmanship. Construction techniques. Animated depiction of the construction process. Built in just 2 years, the mosque's construction employed thousands of artisans and engineers. Lime mortar served as the primary binding material, with red sandstone blocks meticulously placed to form the massive walls and domes. Dome structure. The double dome design reduces the load on the prayer hall while maintaining an imposing exterior. This technique exemplifies advanced engineering for its time. Engineering resilience. Historical footage of the mosque post-earthquake. The mosque has withstood several earthquakes, thanks to its robust design. Minor restoration, such as the reinforcement of minarets, has preserved its original grandeur. Legacy and influence. Modern view with worshippers beyond its engineering marvels. The Badshahi Masjid represents a legacy of cultural and spiritual significance. It continues to inspire architects and engineers around the world with its timeless design and structural integrity. Aerial shot of the mosque at sunset. In the Badshahi Masjid, we see not just a place of worship, but a masterpiece of architecture and engineering. Join Alvi Associates as we continue to explore the world's structural wonders. Don't forget to subscribe for more.